Hello, it's Louise from Mind Body Calm Yoga. I just thought today we'd take it outside and do a really lovely wake up, good morning flow to energise the whole of the body, make us feel ready for the day. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. So we're going to start on our mat in Savasana, lying flat on our mat. Just for a few breaths, settling the body down. So rolling ourselves down nice and gently, closing our eyes, palms up to the sky, shoulders nice and loose, toes tipping out to the side, and we'll just spend a few breaths here. If you've got more time, you can stay here a little bit longer. Just settle the body down, bring it back to balance. Start to take some deep breaths down at the tummy. We'll start to wiggle fingers and toes, circle the wrists and the ankles, gently rock the head from side to side, waking up the body now, and breathing in, reaching the arms up and over, nice deep stretch, and exhale, float the arms back up and over, palms reach the mat as you breathe out. We'll do that 2 more times, breathing in, just drawing that fresh energy into the body, and exhale. More time, breathing in. Imagine you're breathing all the way down to your feet. And exhale. And as you breathe in, we'll walk the heels towards the bottom. Make sure the lower back's nice and flat. Draw the knees into the chest. Bring the hands to the top of the knees, and we'll just start to make some nice circles in one direction. Just gently awakening the lower back. Stimulating the energy channels. Telling the body it's ready for the day. Doing a nice gentle movement. And we'll bring our feet back to the floor, straighten the legs. And as we breathe in, we'll draw the right knee in, wrap the hands around the shin or behind the thigh. Draw the knee in. 2 breaths here. And we'll just give a little circle. One way and then the other. Drop the foot to the floor, stretch away, and we'll draw the left leg in. The sun's very bright today. And the other. We'll drop the foot to the floor, then the other knee, bring the arms out to the side of the body, and we're just going to rock the knees from side to side. Just a gentle rock from side to side. And back to centre, and start to roll over onto one side and push yourself slowly and carefully up to sitting. So you can either sit cross-leg position or on your knees if you prefer, or with the legs out straight. We'll take a little bit of time just to release any tension in the shoulders or in the neck that we've held on to overnight. So a nice comfortable seat, back's nice and straight. And all we're going to do is gently lift the chin and bring the chin down, tuck the chin in towards the throat. Feel a lovely stretch through the back of the neck. Breathing in and out. In and out, and back to centre. And this time let's reach the right ear up towards the sky, feeling a stretch all the way down the right side of the body, right side of the neck I should say. And to increase that a little bit more, if you like, you can reach out with the right arm, feeling a stretch into the upper arm, into the shoulder. And release nice and slowly, other side. So this time left ear towards the sky. Reach out through the left arm. Breathe into the stretch. It should feel really nice. and back to center. Okay, so we'll take some head rolls. Close your eyes if you prefer. So we'll drop the chin, come slowly round to one side, all the way around, and the other way, and back to center. And we'll carefully turn to look over the right shoulder and the left, and again the right and the left. And bring our arms out in front of us, give our fingers a wiggle, thumbs, clench your fists, circles one direction and the other, palms out, push through the fingers, breathe in, touch the shoulders. We'll do that 2 more times. It's really extending through the arms. Take some nice shoulder circles, rotating around, waking up the shoulders, and hands down at the knees, and we'll squeeze the shoulders up, let them fall, and squeeze and let them fall. So we should be feeling a little bit more looser now in the shoulders and the neck. We'll slowly make our way to cat and cow. So let's start in tabletop position. Hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Roll the shoulders away from the ears, tummy muscles are lifted. Cow pose, let's drop the belly. Nice arch in the lumbar, roll the shoulders away, draw the chest through, lift the gaze. And exhaling into cat pose, so dropping the elbows to the floor, lifting through the belly, pushing the hands into the earth, lifting up nice and strong. Tuck the chin, lift the tummy muscles up and in. We'll do 3 more rounds. Dropping the elbows to the floor, drawing the chest through, nice strong arms, keep the elbows in. So really waking up the spine here. I'm ready for our day. And we'll take 1 more for good luck. Okay, so we'll stay here in tabletop position and we'll practice a pose called Thread the Needle, which is a lovely shoulder opener. So all we're going to do is stay in tabletop position. We'll again roll the shoulders away from the ears, really press into the left hand, make sure that left arm's strong. We'll turn the right palm up towards the sky and we'll start to thread that hand underneath, and as we bring the shoulder down, we want to bring the shoulder down to where the wrist was of the right hand. So if you don't get this far down, you can prop yourself on a cushion, and we're just going to soften the head down, keep a 90-degree angle in the left arm. 3 nice breaths here, releasing the shoulder, make it nice and soft. And to release, pressing really strongly into the left arm, bringing ourselves up. And when you're ready, we'll work on the other side. So threading the left arm through, bringing the left shoulder all the way down. And pushing into the hand, back to tabletop. So we're going to make our way into down facing dog. If you want something a little bit lighter, reach the hands forward, press through the hands, sink the tailbone back, draw the chest through to the floor and work here. Or down facing dog, starting in tabletop position, walk the hands, 1 hand's length forward, tuck the toes, lift the hips really high, push into the hands, body weight comes back. Ears are in line with the forearms, knees are bent if you need them to be, and we work on lifting the hips, suck those tummy muscles up and in, and we'll just lengthen out through the hamstrings nice and carefully by bending one knee, pushing away through the heel of the opposite leg, taking it nice and slowly, walking the dog. Opening through the back of the legs, Really drawing energy now into the body. The body should be starting to open now. And let's take a nice high down facing dog, hips up to the sky. And as we breathe out, sinking the heels away and full down facing dog. And to release, lifting up on the balls of the feet, gazing forward. Then we'll start to walk to the top of the mat. Keep the knees bent, bend the knees deeply, take a nice forward fold, maybe swaying the hands one side then the other. And bending the knees even deeper, we're going to come up nice and slowly, bring the hands to the top of the thighs, rolling up through the spine, head comes up last. So we should be feeling a little bit more awake now. So in the centre of your mat, we're going to widen the feet quite wide, toes pointing forward, bring the arms out to shoulder height and really reach through the fingers. We're going to make our way into warrior two. So let's turn on the right foot. We want our heels to be roughly in line. Gaze down the middle finger of the right hand. So as we breathe in, I want you to squeeze the legs, really lift up through the legs. Legs should be strong, tummy muscles engaged. And as we breathe out, bending that front knee. So what we need to be careful of here is that the knee doesn't come any further forward than the ankle. If you find it's coming further forward, you need to widen your gaze. So we need to keep our hips as forward as we can. Warrior two. And breathing in, turn the palms up to the sky, and as we raise the arms up, we'll straighten the right leg. The end of the in-breath, the palms touch. Nice deep breath in. And exhale back into warrior two. We'll do that 4 more times. So breathing in, getting that lovely fresh energy into the body. Exhale, giving us strength to start our day. One more. Really reach up through the hands and back down into warrior two. We'll straighten the leg, draw the toes forward, keep the arms strong, or if you want a little rest, float them down, roll the shoulders, and we'll go on the other side. So this time turning on the left foot, just check your heels are in line, hips are as forward as we can, and as we exhale, bend the knee. Warrior two. Breathing in and out. So keep the movement with your breath. You may be going quicker than me or slower than me. Really opening the body. And one more. And we'll straighten the front leg, turn the toes, float the arms down, heel toe the feet in, and we'll come into goddess squat. So walk the feet slightly wider than hip width apart, toes pointing out to the edges of the mat. Draw the hands to the side of the temples, elbows back, elbows in line with the shoulders. And as we breathe out, bending the knees, keep the knees back and really tuck the pelvis in. So knees back, bottom tucked up and in, strong in the belly. Nice strong goddess squat, opening the body. Breathing in, let's reach up, drawing that energy into the body, filling yourself with positivity for your day. Exhale, sink into goddess squat. Do one more, breathing in and out, and breathing in, reaching up, circle the arms, Step the feet in, bring yourself down to the mat, cross-leg position, and we'll reach up through the right arm, left hand comes down onto the mat, exhale, bring the arm up and over, reach up, creating space on the side of the ribs. One more time. And we'll swing it up and all the way over to the other side. I'm going to have to close my eyes because I'm looking into the sun. I think the sun's shining on my face. It's lovely here this morning. And we'll reach it up, reach, reach, reach. Fill the body full of that energy. Hands to prayer. Namaste. Hope you have a great day.